everyone, and today's video I'll look at the quick overview on the thunderstorms and also the humidity and the heat which we'll be seeing from high pressure to start of June. We are looking at very hot conditions from most of the long-term runs today and also very thundery weather on the way. Expecting severe thunderstorms on Saturday as we get closer and closer. You can see from today we are in a persistent band of rain today for the whole of England pretty much. You can see as we head into 9 o'clock, these rains will clear. Behind it, extremely sharp showers pop up. These could again have flash flooding, hit and miss wherever you are, most likely across parts of the, I'll say across parts of northern England, parts of southwest England, and also Wales will see parts of these hit and miss showers as well. But they are not guaranteed again. As we head into Friday, another weather front moves in. These will cause again moderate to heavy showers as it spreads through parts of the Midlands, spreading across East Anglia and the south. And again, as the sun rises again, it will develop these very hit and miss sharp showers. If you get caught in one of them, you know what's going to happen. You're going to be getting very heavy showers. And guess what? Once you get very heavy showers, if you do get under multiple, you can be under the risk of flash flooding. But again, these are very isolated. Consider yourself unlucky or lucky, however you want to put it, if you want to see this. But the main caveat is on Saturday. Overnight, you can see extremely heavy rain crossing the whole country. You can see very chaotic band of rain here. We'll start from the southwest. Extremely heavy line of, I would even call this squall convection, is going to cause across the south from Friday into Saturday. The next span of rain moving across parts of Wales. Again, will cause some thunder. These are group of cells. They are quite likely and actually have a very great chance to cause thunder if we continue to see patterns like this. And this is actually 2 in the morning actually. So again, could actually get waken up by one of these thunder. And the next one up into the Midlands and parts of Scotland. Again, very similar, same thing, moderate to heavy showers moving along. Again, in that brisk breeze, it will clear pretty quickly. But then again, we see at the left-hand side of our screen, no, that's not where I wanted it to go. But as we want to see the left-hand side of our screen at around 3 in the morning, you can see this really is a group of red or orange, you call it, of these very heavy showers, and they will appear in Republic of Ireland first before traveling onto parts of Saturday into parts of England. Look at this, a complete day of storms, a complete day of washout. We're going to see on Saturday, not only are we going to see heavy rain, but also we are likely to see parts of UK hit them with hail. We're likely to see parts of UK hit with flash flooding. And most certainly, we also be likely to see UK, especially in this region highlighted here, to get hit by one of these storms, which again will produce very frequent lightning. And of course, this Saturday, so everyone's going to want to go out in the weekend. So again, that just adds up more and more disruption here. Not surprised to see them issue the yellow thunderstorm warning for the south. Looks very lively here on Saturday. That does clear through at 3 in the afternoon, but again, still staying lively until around 9 in the around really only midnight, where it starts to clear off towards the east until onto Sunday. We do get a little break from that, but on Sunday still we do get hit by these showers. As we head into Monday, you can see again these will continue to be hit and miss, but the only difference is it will be much less severe than what we see. Again, these will be very hit and miss on Monday, but again, they will just be lighter. But look at this, really severe. Look at that. All of the England counties, look at that, covered by red. We actually have a very good chance to see multi-cells. Maybe, very rarely supercell if we see a look of this. Really severe. Look at that on Saturday. Really lively, especially for storm chasers if we want to go out storm chasing. Now we want to skip towards Saturday. At 9 o'clock, you can see this group of cells across the center of the screen here, crossing parts of, just starting to cross parts of Wales, parts of the South Plymouth, Cardiff, and also just past Northern Ireland. This cluster is what when you focus on. You can see this is not even hit inland yet, and look at this. It is already looking very lively with yellow, red mixed in them. What does that mean? That means we're gonna see around 5 to 10 millimeters of rain per hour with this. And guess what? You actually have a chance to get under multiple of these because of how likely and how widespread they are across England and Wales. And not only that, you are also in one of these storms, they are also likely to produce massive, massive amounts of rain. So really, really, really do get prepared because again, some of this really could cause a lot of disruption. This is not even around 12 and it's already looking very, very nasty with the Aron run. So again, we'll have a look at the full result tomorrow. But the Cape level has been really surprising today, as already yesterday I looked at the Cape level if you watched my video yesterday. But 9 o'clock, this is not the most severe time for Cape, not the most severe time for thunderstorms. I would say around noon, either 12 o'clock or 3 o'clock is the most severe time for thunderstorms. And look at this, 1,724 joules per kilogram, exceeding what I was expecting this Aron run to get. I was only expecting to go over 1,000 in the around 12 to 3 area where the storms are most likely. But no, this has overtaken my expectations and it went up to 1,724 joules per kilogram. And it's 3-6 hours before the whole thing even started. And look at this, already that number is up to around 2,000, very, very near to 2,000 joules per kilogram. So what we're expecting here on that day is heavy showers, heavy thunderstorms, and also frequent lightning as well, what you can get from that. Now, moving away from that story into longer range, you can see we'll have a look at the summer's warmth here. We are starting to see some signs of warming up to be produced here, starting on 12th of June from the GFS run. And look at this. Look at where the wind is coming from. It's coming from the southerly direction. And when we get southerly direction, it means it's going to waft up milder air from the south. And when we do get that, it becomes a cycle and just spike up to around even 21, 22 is already good enough for us. But as we head into later on this run, you can see it stays cool, but it's still warm. But around later June, we really, really do start getting to springtime conditions around 25, 26, 27 degrees. So this is what we want to see for summer in June already. Moving on quickly and swiftly towards the GEM chart. Switching the models, you can see when it starts getting warm, we get pulled in by low pressure at first, high pressure from the Azores dominate, and then when we get that dominating, we get pulled in by southerly breeze by the east side bars. Angel HBA temperatures will remain pretty high, and again, those temperatures will be sticking around 23, 24, 25 degrees Celsius, maximum 26 in some isolated spots. Now moving on towards onto 13th of June. 26, 27 degrees up into East Anglia's, not across the whole part of England. As we move it forward, you can see again, it does get milder and milder and it heats up next week from what most runs are saying around, peaking around 25, 26, 27 for the south, if not 28 or 29 in some isolated regions. But let's switch to longer range chart on the ECMWF chart. You can see where it does start getting mild is this point right here. Monday, Tuesday, and as we head into Thursday now, you can see it drags in all that mild air. And let's actually look at this. This is really surprising me. Look at that. Nearly 20-degree isotherm at 5,000 feet is reaching us. So what we can expect from the temperatures, of course, we're expecting around 22. We're expecting around the mid-20s, if not high 20s, from some of these runs that go on to a day where we are actually going to be in that heat. Almost there. Yep, there we go. Stop. 19th of June, 26th of May, 19th of June, And 2025 at 12 o'clock we're seeing temperatures up to 24, 26, 28 degrees. And 12 o'clock actually is not the main, it's not the hottest. Let's switch towards around, let's say 6 o'clock. That's hotter, around 26, 27, 29, 20, nearly 30 degrees with these conditions. 12 o'clock is actually not the main thing. Actually, it's actually around 3 o'clock. That's the main thing. So let's actually go towards here, and we'll actually see the main thing here. Around 25 degrees from the UKV1 at its maximum. And now let's go over with the first day run. You can see from 12 o'clock it's around 26, 27. Around 3 o'clock it's around 27, 28. So it does get at 1 or 2 degrees warmer compared to from that 3-hour difference. So I do want to keep these runs. I do want to run these runs on maximum potential to see what they are producing, and it looks pretty hot from what I'm seeing from this run. And keep in mind, this is 2 mean temperatures. This is not even maximum temperatures. So if we have a maximum temperatures run here, we could actually be seeing somewhat much hotter. Let's actually switch to minimum to maximum temperatures, and actually it shows something surprising, up to nearly 30 degrees, 28, 29 degrees from the maximum temperatures with the GFS. And if the ECMWF has a built-in feature for that, which is the hottest run, which is around 29 degrees for temperatures, not maximum. But if we do have a maximum feature for temperatures, we're going to see that number go over 30 degrees. So really pushing the runs to its limit here. So thank you for watching this video. That is basically your recap. Thank you for watching this video. And again, stay safe with those thunderstorms. They are going to be really heavy rain, really heavy showers. And you never know if they could get hit by one of them. They are very hard to predict. So thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe for more updates. Until next time, goodbye.